I recently learned that I was going to be the inaugural holder of the Terkelson Professorship in Industrial Manufacturing System Engineering. This was obviously really exciting news. One of the particular things was exciting about this. It recognized not only the research but also the teaching. One of my favorite things about working at Iowa State is the combination of research and teaching, and this award and recognition recognized both of that. One of the things I challenged to bring to my classroom, both in the lecture as well as the laboratory, is making it real for students. So hands-on laboratories so they can actually see the processes, and then as you can see in my office, lots of items I bring to the classroom, and so the students are able to relate, and so they understand what the manufacturing process can do, why does that quality problem happen, and I think that engagement is what students appreciate, and they can learn from that. Over the last few years, I've had the opportunity to meet Mr. and Mrs. Terkelson a few times, both at Iowa State and at their company in Illinois. Turk was particularly appreciated and excited about the learning the laboratories were doing at Iowa State, and he was generous enough to be able to support that. It's going to be a great opportunity to use the funds from the endowment to support both the research and the teaching, and particularly the bridge between the two, and potentially bringing more undergraduates into research and bringing new innovations in the classroom into the laboratory.